In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to efficiently move sections within your Wix website for better organization and visual appeal. Our primary aim here is to give your website a unique personal touch and to enhance the user experience by rearranging its content. To get started, identify the section on your web page that you want to move. It could be an image, a text area, a gallery, or any part of your website that you feel could be better placed elsewhere. This part of the process involves keen, thoughtful observation. Consider how you intend your web page to look and which section should go where. Once you've pinpointed the section, here's what you do. Engage with it. Click on the particular section that requires modification. By clicking on it, you're essentially selecting it, making it ready for any changes you prefer. A sense of familiarity with your layout will make this task easier and quicker, so take some time to get comfortable with how your site is structured. As soon as you have clicked on the section, look for an icon that goes by the name Move Section. You should note that this feature will usually depict an arrow symbol and is typically located on the top or bottom of your chosen section. However, if you don't see this symbol, don't worry. Another way to locate this option would be via the More Actions icon. Look out for 3 dots together. This signifies the More Actions icon in the section's toolbar. Upon clicking on these dots, a menu will appear, showcasing a variety of options available for that section. This includes the Move section option that we need, enhancing user accessibility and increasing the efficiency of Wix as a web building platform. Once you have accessed this menu, you will notice 2 options: Move Up or Move Down. Depending upon the desired location of your section, choose one of these options. For instance, if you want your selected section to appear higher on the web page, select Move Up. If you want it lower, go for Move Down. However, if you're someone who prefers dragging and dropping instead of the click-based method, you are covered too. All you need to do is click and hold the arrow icon or the move handle of your chosen section. Then, drag it to your desired position. Be mindful of the visual cue on your screen. This would indicate where exactly the section will go once you release your hold. Mastering these few steps will give you the ability to create an intriguing website layout with Wix. Experiment and fine-tune until you are pleased with how your web page appears. Remember that this is your canvas, and you are the artist. Create a beautiful and efficient website that resonates with your vision, keeping user-friendliness at the heart of it all. Happy designing!